Hello YouTube. So after fighting a lot of traffic and a lot of craziness because it's a Saturday, I'm finally here to do what I wanted to do. So this video is a little bit off topic, not the regular automobile video. It's about the recording gear I have decided to select. So I'm here today to buy an iPhone 13 Pro Max, the 1TB version, because right now I was doing all my filming on my 12 Pro Max, and I've been reading a lot of reviews that the cinema mode and the ProRes mode are something to really look at if vlogging and is what you are after. So I'm here to pick a model, and also the storage was failing on me. I have a 256GB. I do have a lot of cloud storage, but I think I still feel like I need a bigger storage in the phone, so I'm here to pick up a 1TB iPhone. And apart from that, I've also ordered a GoPro kit. So I've ordered a Hero 910 black GoPro. So I'll be uploading a clip in terms of the exact gear I have decided from GoPro. So watch that part, and then I'll be back with you to talk about the iPhone. So on the GoPro side, I went for the Hero 10 Black. It comes with 1-year subscription, a micro SD card. I bought a media mod for the better microphone, a tripod, a suction cup mount, a head mount, and a battery pack. Yeah, so that was all about the GoPro. So now today for the iPhone, I'm here because the Apple stores, for some reason, Dallas-Fort Worth does not has a lot of Apple stores. So one of these Apple stores is almost about 20 miles from my house, and I just like the unlocked version. So I'm here to get the unlocked in one of these malls, which I think it's Galleria or something. So yeah, I'm just here. So I'll be putting a few clips of me walking to the Apple shop and the Apple shop itself and the phone, and then I'll probably summarize everything from my impressions video. And while I leave, let me remove my radar detector, because this is the Escort red line and I don't want anyone to bust my windshield just to get my radar. I mean, it's an expensive radar detector, about $700-800, but right now all these things are on back order and they're selling for like $1,500. So yeah, I'm getting out of my truck. I managed to find a corner parking. Typically I have to take 2 parkings to park this beast. I'm here in my truck, and I did not bring any of my other cars because I knew the place will be crazy. So let me give you a look of how the parking and everything is super packed. You can see cars everywhere, but as I said, I managed to find a nice spot in the corner. So I'll be now walking into the mall and into the Apple store. So just stay with me and let's just go ahead and make this purchase. Alright guys, so I am at the Apple store. As you can see, that's the Apple store, and disappointingly there is a long queue to get in the shop. So I am in the queue right now, and I'll have to wait for one of the Apple specialists to allow me to enter in the shop. So yeah, I mean, I hope to manage an entry soon, and then I'll try and record the 13 Pro Max 1TB as soon as I get my hands on it. So stay with me, and I'll see you in the next clip. All right, guys. So we got the 13 Pro Max. We are gonna unlock it right now. It's a 1 TB version. I went for the classic black color. I like the green over there, but I mean, I think in the long run, I'm a white or a black kind of a guy. And yeah, please subscribe and like if you like the content. And see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.